Hello, I'm Ramya. I'm from Mass Communication from University of Hyderabad. So we had a session with Dr. Rao sir. So he has demonstrated the DRM technology. So we were very new. That is the first time we heard of some technology. Sir has gave a brief description of that, and he has shown us some videos and the PDF with the basic technology. He also has demonstrated with radios
PPT.
and all. PPT, he has shown us a PPT and some radio parts and how it is devices. He also has explained. He also has briefly explained how it is advantage, how it can be useful other than the new technology that we have now. So it doesn't need internet. It doesn't have any disturbance. So it has some competitive advantage over the other technologies in this future generation. It is still primitive in India. It is spreading worldwide. He also explained the state of that technology all over the world. So India has already adopted and it is reaching every corner of India. This would be a game changer for some times when the disaster especially occurs. So thank you, sir, for giving us knowledge about this.